Hey you guys, so I wanted to give a quick review of the VEVOR hair clippers for men. It's a professional 3-in-1 grooming set that's perfect for haircuts, beard trims, and even a close shave. I did get this set for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. So I wanted to get my husband's perspective on it. So what you get in the box is the cordless hair clipper, a precision trimmer, a foil razor, and multiple guide combs, a charging cable for each one, and a cleaning brush. It also comes with a user manual. I love how sleek and professional everything looked, especially with that orange color was kind of cool. The 3-in-1 design means you can cut, trim, and shave with just this one kit. It's cordless and rechargeable, and it can give you up to 2 hours of runtime on one full charge. Plus the clippers have adjustable blades for precise cutting, and the trimmer is great for like detail work when you're shaping your beard. So my husband put it to the test. He was giving himself a quick haircut with the clippers. The motor was super powerful, not very loud, making it easy to get a clean, even cut without any tugging or like pulling. You could also use the precision trimmer to shape up like your beard. My husband tried out the foil razor to shave his beard a little bit. It was very smooth and irritation free. Everything worked seamlessly and very convenient to have all of these tools in one kit. So my husband and I are both really impressed with this VEVOR 3-in-1 hair clipper and grooming kit. It's versatile, it was easy to use, and perfect for at-home grooming. If you're looking for a professional grade set, then this is definitely worth checking out.